Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on the gold market. So as we said yesterday, this market is coming to an area where the natural downside reaction is very probable. Just even taking and keeping aside any fundamental background, all this mess around tariffs and lots of Donald Trump statements and so on, by a purely technical picture, market is overextended. So it hits as daily as weekly overbought area, with the agreement of different important target, I would say, because this is really big butterfly on the daily chart, inner ABCD XOP, and actually don't forget about the big target that we have on long-term charts, 2860. So it's very important all-time OP target. So, and the normal reaction here is absolutely natural. So from that standpoint, everything goes with the plan. So as we said, this probably will be the sale for a current week, definitely. XOP is done, so maybe just few cents have not been reached here, but if you're aiming on this target, I would treat it as a completed for the purposes of the holding of the long position. On the 4 time frame chart, we have really great thrust, and actually returning back to the daily, this actually could become really background for a possible Jordan patch. So if even we'll get the 30% retracement, that might be the bread and butter buy opportunity, but for this purpose, market has to reach the 30% support. It's 2767 approximately, so relatively deep retracement. This is just for some case. On lower time frame, speaking about today's session, here we could set the nearest standing target to the downside. So if you could see, downside action starts with the, it's kind of the hand and shoulders shape right on top. Based on its ABCD, we have the OP that's already has been completed. It's around 2582, and next target will be XOP 2836, which agrees with the nearest standing 2840 support area. So if you by some reasons have taken the short position here in trading gold on lower time frames, as a scalp trader, that's probably an area that you also keep an eye on. Investors gradually start preparing for a payrolls report. We will see what will happen, but supposedly it should not bring any significant changes, just because massive firing of the government employees by the Donald Trump mostly should appear in the February report. In January, if even this will be some part of them, probably it will be some minimal part, minority of this huge amount of people. So from that standpoint, hardly we will get any big sensation tomorrow. We will see. Meantime, current retracement, I wouldn't call it as a big change on some sentiment or change in a trend or something. This is definitely some kind of the purely technical thing. Because if you take a look at the performance of the other markets, for example, on 10-year bonds, you could see the market has completed the hand shoulders that we talked about. And normally, on a drop of the yields, gold should rise. So this is normal thing. But since market right now ignores some clearly bullish background with this, previously it has ignored actually rally on the 10-year yields and in general yields in the United States. I would say that it has no relation to the fundamental reasons. The same we could say on the dollar. On the dollar, we have the bearish patterns suggesting deeper downside action, while on the gold market we do not see corresponding performance. So here's probably it's purely a technical thing. That's actually all that we could see currently on the gold market. Retracement starts now. We should need to understand the scale of this retracement, whether it will be more extended or not, but this will need some time. For now, the only thing that we could say that in the nearest time market has these hand shoulders, and if downside action will continue, That's probably will be next destination point, around 28.40. For taking the long position for us, those of you who are searching chance to go along with a bigger scale, for example on the daily or in higher time frames, maybe it makes sense to wait for deeper retracement and some clarity on a possible scale of this retracement. Supposedly the first level for daily purposes will be around, as I said, 27.65, 27.67. That's towards what we have.